Yo, what up guys, CP Trades here, back to another YouTube video for you guys. Today I'm gonna review today's price action and also gonna review both trades I took today. I took 2 break-evens today, and yeah, let's get right to it. Coming into the day, I had not really a bias, I just wanted to see what we gonna do at market open. We had narrative in both directions, so I was pretty cautious. As we know, we are extremely bullish, so that alone leads to a bullish bias. But also we had some structure, bearish structure. We had a big SMT here, an external SMT, some nice displacements with some nice high time frame bearish FVJs, and also some nice low resistance liquidity here. That's why I just wanted to see how we're gonna react to this 15-minute bearish FVJs, and based on that I wanted to form my narrative. Yeah, let's skip to market open and see what happened. At market open, we swept this high again while respecting the bearish 15-minute FVJ. That to me was extremely bearish, so I was looking for potential shorts, and that's where we had this generated liquidity here. We formed relative equal lows to the existing low resistance liquidity, so I was ready to take some shorts if we would give us some nice setup. That's right here. I wanted to see potentially a continuation lower after retracing to equilibrium of the range and respecting this bearish FVJ. As we see, we tapped equilibrium to the tick, and that's the point where I wanted to see some confirmation to the downside. My focus was on this marked bullish 1 minute FVJ. I wanted to see that get inversed. Yeah, it took some time, and then boom, here's the inverse. You could have taken a short here, but I really didn't take it because I didn't really like the risk to reward and the fact that we are so close to market open, so I faded this one. Could have played really nice out. Yeah. And as we see, we displaced extremely through these lows, but I really formed my narrative based on ES because we can see that we have, let me zoom in, that we have formed relative equal lows to the bullish daily fair value gap here. Let me mark this out so it gets more clear. I mean, it's pretty small, to be honest. It's average, but yeah, you get what I mean. My focus laid on this bullish daily FVJ on ES. As we see, we formed some really nice liquidity here. We almost took it out, but reversed back up. So not reversed, we retraced back up. So that was a sign for me to take possible shorts to target this area, but I would have taken the trade on NQ and waited for ES to take this drawn liquidity out. So my idea was to wait for retracement into this nice fair value gap here. I didn't really care that we took this one out because what I've just told about ES, I wanted to see us get retracement here and then some confirmation to the downside. As we see retraced back in, that's where I got more cautious. I dedicated my attention to the charts, and first thing I wanted to see was some inverse play to get back shots in. That's where this 4-minute FVJ formed, right here. That was some potential trade here if we could invest this one, this fair value gap, and then get shorts targeting low hanging fruit and more. So we waited here a little bit. We waited, and there was not really something. So I got more patient here. Then, yeah, right here. I saw that this 4-minute gap became a 5-minute gap. We unfortunately tapped it, so that lowered the probability for shorts in general. But we saw a pretty nice trade here, some internal manipulation here. We manipulate up, take this one out, and also what I forgot to mention is that we opened a bullish 50-minute FVJ here. Let me mark this one out in blue. And my idea was to take some retracement trades. I mean, even if we would be bullish and pump back to the upside, I would have liked to see a retracement into this 50-minute FVJ first. So yeah, that was my idea. I wanted to see this bearish gap here. Let me delete that to get better, to not overcomplicate it. I wanted to see this bullish FVJ to get inversed and then take some shots into here. I could have took TP here or placed my stop to break even. Yeah, and then we got this nice displacement here. I immediately hopped in shorts. Yeah, we almost hit TP, but then I got stopped out. I moved my stops to break even on my lucid evals, but not on top step evals, so I'm a bit down on my top step evals, but doesn't matter. So one loss, I still had a bullet in the chamber. As you know, I only trade 2 times a day at max. So now I wanted to see possibly this high getting swept, because we formed some nice equal highs here. And yeah, that was a point of time where I had to be really, really patient, and simultaneously I had to look for the 50-minute charts to not get an inverse of our previously marked 50-minute FVJ here. I didn't want to see us close above here and sweeping it. I wanted to see a sweep and close inside this 50-minute fair value gap. So we waited. Let me skip forward. So boom, we get a really, really nice sweep of the high, and we were closing right inside the 50-minute FVJ as well. That was a pretty nice foundation to take my second and last trade. I wanted, for confirmation, I wanted to see us this fair value gap getting inversed. And yeah, we waited. And yeah, my target was again the 50-minute FVJ, because now we also had relative equal lows at this 50-minute FVJ. Yeah, we got our inverse here. We hopped in shorts. Yeah, I didn't take my TP here. I moved my stop to break even and got stopped out to break even. My idea was that we could potentially displace through it, because we still have untapped daily FVJ here in the queue. So that was my idea. I wanted to see some displacement through it and holding until ES hits TP here, but unfortunately we got stopped out. And I am now done for the day. I took my 2 trades, 2 break-evens and 2 break-evens, and one of this break-even was a loss on my top sub evals. Only took that on evals because I don't know, I didn't really felt taking trades on my funded accounts today. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Now what I may want to see is look at the higher time frames. If we are now respecting both bullish and bearish fair value gap, we are respecting this bearish 50-minute fair value gap, and also we are respecting this blue bullish fair value gap. So for my drawn liquidity, I want to see either one of them getting inversed. If we invest the bullish one, we could expect ES going to the daily fair value gap here. Oh, nice fair value gaps with those stacked liquidity here. Or if we displace and close above this bearish 50-minute FVJ, we can just expect new all-time highs. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I forgot to mention, if we stay here consolidating, I think we may wait until morning to present the move. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's everything I have to say right now. I hope you could take something for you guys. I hope you could learn something. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Trade safe and peace.